Well, I said I was gonna bring you back at every grit, but I done did 600 and I just got through with 1,000. So I have 1,500, 2,000, and 3,000 left to go. So I'll bring you back at after the 1,500 and the 2,000, and then after the 3,000 grit sandpaper, wet sanded. So, and hopefully this will turn out right. I do really need to pop them out, unless I don't need to, and do the inside of them. But like I said, Joe, it's getting there. It's just gonna take some time. So let me get these other two grits done, bring you back, then do the final reveal after I get through the 3,000 grits. So see you in a little bit. Thank you.